Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to convert shards in survivor.io. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and convert shards in survivor.io. So first of all, when you are in the survivor, so you'll have that by opening that part of the of course game by playing games, and you need to go and tap on the main menu, tap on survivors. Select the S grade survivor whose shards you want to convert, and tap enhance and open upgrade tab. So you will have it all here. You'll have evolve where you can of course go and do that to them also. Then select shard conversion and use these sliders to decrease the number of shards from S grade survivor you want to take the shards from, and increase the number of shards from S grade survivor you want to transfer them to. Tap convert to confirm the conversion. Important things to know: only 5 S grade survivor shards can be converted directly between S grade survivors. Regular survivor shards cannot be exchanged this way. If the convert button is grayed out, make sure you first reduce the source survivor shard slider before adding those shards to the target survivor. And that's basically that. Those are some extra tips that I can give you on how to do this. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.